Modoium Remote is a productivity tool designed for mobile game development. It allows you to test your games on mobile devices directly from the Unity editor via streaming without the need for builds and installations. Unity 3D Environment Setup. Import the Modoium asset into your Unity environment on PC or Mac. Open the Package Manager or Asset Store window. Search for Modoium and import it. Once the import is complete, you should see the Modoium status window. Mobile app installation. Install the Modoium client on the mobile device you'll use for testing. Search for Modoium in the App Store or Google Play Store and install it. For iPhone users, ensure you activate the local network-related options. Network environment. Ensure that your Unity editor and the mobile device are connected to the same network. List. Confirm that your Unity project appears in the list within the Modoium app. Verification code. Select your project from the list on your smartphone screen. A verification code input screen will appear. Refer to the information in the Modoium window in Unity. Enter the verification code on your mobile device.